So the kit comes with this little thing here, and there's a screwdriver in there, and I'm guessing that's maybe where the battery might be, right here, somewhere in here. And this looks like, I didn't read the instructions, I promise. So you can stick it in there, I guess. I don't know. Let's try this out. Ooh, the provided screwdriver is not like Horizon Hobby. You can actually use it. They don't give you plastic stuff like the thing to remove the tires, like this. The Arma came with, which broke the second I tried it. Anyway, cool. The battery's in here. Awesome. I love this thing. Alright, so I guess I'll do that, and then I'll attach this over here, and we'll have to figure out how to mount this.
Likey